Hey everyone, after you finish eating, don't throw away the instant noodle cup. Today I'm going to show you how to grow lettuce using an instant noodle cup. In just 1 month, you'll have healthy green lettuce like in the video. Now let's take a look at how I do it. First, we make a few holes in the bottom of the cup for drainage. The potting mix should be combined with coconut coir or rice husks to help retain moisture and improve drainage. If the growing medium doesn't drain well, the plant can easily grow slowly or even die. As you can see, after just 15 days, the lettuce has grown very well. During this time, remember to water the plants every day. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more home gardening videos. I'll keep making more videos to share easy ways to grow clean, healthy vegetables at home. Thank you so much. Hey everyone, these are the lettuce plants after 30 days of growing, very green and tender. Today I'm going to harvest them and make a lettuce dish for you to watch. Stay until the end of the video to see how I prepare a Vietnamese-style lettuce dish.